Yes. Hey, Nico, shall we do this?
Oh, hey, Christina. Oh, how's it going? Sorry, do what? What are we doing?
Launch our very own webinar series. What else?
Oh, right, of course, the webinar series. Yes. Well, something about remaking industry. Please tell me more.
That's right. We are launching our very own webinar series called Remaking Industry. It will be part of a 12-part series going on into the next year, hosted by Wikifactory, and it will explore the awe-inspiring inspirations of the next generation of products that are happening across what we call the Internet of Production.
Internet production. Wow. Let me guess. Is this a new virtual backdrop for Zoom, or maybe a productivity app? Or maybe is it a whole new game changer about the way the next generation of products can be designed, manufactured, and distributed?
You guessed it right at last. The Internet production describes a new paradigm in the way online networks and digital manufacturing technologies can be harnessed by anyone to develop a custom product, to produce on demand, locally, affordably, and more sustainably.
It sounds like an amazing idea. How exactly does it work?
Well, think about it. Just like the internet has made it possible for everyone to participate in the production and dissemination of ideas, a distributed infrastructure for physical products would mean that anyone could participate in the design and production of physical things, disrupting not only one industry, but industry itself. This is why this series is called Remaking Industry, because we want to explore this disruption in real life examples, bringing our many friends who are spearheading this change into a constructive conversation, whether bringing industry leaders, designers, developers, software developers to thinkers across sectors, from automotive to agriculture, from drones to medical devices. We want to understand how they are innovating new models of production.
That's fascinating. So I guess what you're saying is that the factory has sort of come online, and I can maybe produce things with just a laptop and an internet connection. But this is sounding a little familiar. It sounds a lot like Wikifactory, actually.
That's right, because from our inception, we've been inspired by this notion that we have to rethink the way that we imagine, engage, work, produce, consume, recycle, and ultimately value the world around us. Acknowledging this is, is what allows us to challenge the existing industrial mindset and question how digital advances can really inform new models of collaboration, exchange, and production. It requires us to envision something a lot bolder than just more stuff at faster speeds, because we know that the old models are broken. And the simple truth is that our planet cannot support them. We need to invent a more sustainable approach to making things we need and want, to support open innovation, to come together as a global community to work on real problems based on real local needs, to stand on the shoulders of giants when we innovate and improve on the commons-based frameworks and protocols that allow us to collaborate globally and produce things locally. This is what motivates us to make it possible to build knowledge and skill-based communities of practice. This is the future.
Wow, Christina, I am definitely very inspired, and I want to hear more.
Great. Well, you and everyone listening in can join our first and opening webinars of the Remaking Industry series that is happening next Tuesday, the 15th of December at 5 p.m. CET, that is Central European Time, where we will be discussing the role of open design and sustainable building. We'll be bringing a diverse set of thinkers who will explore how both online digital tools and collective intelligence can inform the way we design and build living systems in the future and at present already. opening up to the floors to some quite important question that I cannot wait to ask. Can buildings become carbon sinks? Can they adapt to changing environmental conditions, be made with biodegradable materials so they can be reused and repurposed? These are the questions that I hope to explore together with the different speakers and with you as host, Nico. It's going to be great.
I'm super excited, Christina. Thank you so much. To all our listeners out there, please join us to kick off our very own Wikifactory webinar series next Tuesday on the 15th. Be there. You can find the link in the description above or below or on your favorite social media channel. And join us live. Thank you very much again, Christina, and really look forward to what promises to be a very fascinating conversation.
Thank you, Nico, and everyone stay tuned.